Are you looking for a robotic pool cleaner that can make your life easier? Well, you might want to check out the AIPER Seagull SE robotic pool cleaner. This is a cordless and automatic device that can clean your pool floor without any hassle. It's like having a Roomba for your pool. The AIPER Seagull SE is very simple and convenient to use. All you have to do is charge it for about 2.5 hours, snap on the 2 brushes at the bottom, insert a chlorine tablet if you want, and drop it into your pool. It will start cleaning automatically and run for about 90 minutes before it stops. It has powerful dual-drive motors that allow it to move fast and efficiently around your pool. It can handle most types of dirt and debris, except for very large leaves or rocks. When it's done cleaning or when the battery is low, it will stop near the pool wall and park itself there. This makes it easy for you to retrieve it with the included hook. You don't have to get wet or worry about tangled cords. Just lift it out of the water and rinse off the filter tray with a hose. The filter tray is very easy to remove and clean. Then, dry it off and charge it again for the next use. So, is this product worth it? Well, that depends on what you're looking for. If you're looking for a robotic pool cleaner that is affordable, easy to use, and reasonably effective at cleaning your pool floor, then this product may be a good option for you. However, if you're looking for a robotic pool cleaner that can clean your pool walls, handle larger debris, and last longer on a single charge, then you may want to look elsewhere.